Most people only remember 5 to 10% of what you just said. If you want to become 22 times more memorable, then you need to do something different. When people share facts and figures in a speech, only 5 to 10% is remembered 10 minutes later, versus 60 to 70% if you tell it in a story format. If I tell you that in Australia, 21,000 people die because of smoking every single year, and that's 50 people a day, and it's the leading cause of cancer in Australia. How many people do you really think are gonna stop smoking? Not a lot. However, when I was 5 to 6 years old, I went to school and they taught that smoking kills. And I came home super scared because my dad used to smoke. And when my dad came back from work, I was like, why are you smoking? You're gonna die. I was just crying my eyes out. After that, he actually stopped smoking. How much easier is it for you to remember my story about my dad quitting smoking versus the facts and figures around how horrific smoking really is? The same way, when you're going for a job interview or a date or just networking, you can set yourself apart and become memorable. The way you do that is by telling stories. The reason I'm telling you all this is because I'm doing a workshop on storytelling. Come to the workshop. I'm gonna be sharing everything I've learned over the last 7 years. This is what I do every single day, and I love it. So hope to see you guys soon.